I accept this done. I accept this done. God, I am God, and so it is. The following violet flame can be repeated either aloud, can be recited either aloud or in the silence as I go about the business of my daily life. Transmute by the violet fire. Transmute by the causes and cores, not of God's desire. I am a being, cause alone. I am a being, cause is love. The cause is love. The sacred tone. Transmute by violet fire. Transmute all causes and cores, not of God's desire. I am a being, cause alone. I am a being, cause is love. The sacred cause is love. The sacred tone. Transmute by violet fire. Transmute all causes and cores, not of God's desire. I am a being of cause alone. I am a being of cause is love. The cause is love. The sacred tone. I accept this done. Through the power of God, I am, and so it is. The following violet flame of the violet fire, either aloud or in the silence of the violet fire, as I go about the business of my daily life. I am transmute by the violet flame of little causes and cores, not of God's desire. I am a being that breathes out through my heart chakra, cause is into the core of every person, place, condition, or thing in my life. Transmute by violet fire, or unconscious, all causes and cores, not of God's desire. Through obvious choice, being, or through permanent liability, that cause is love. As they sit the fire floods the earth, the violet flame transmutes every electron by precious life energy, all causes and cores, not of God's desire. Within the 12 solar aspects of cause alone, that cause fire is loving this every point of my universe free. I am free through the power of God. I am eternal and free is, and so it is. I accept this done. The following is the power of God can be repeated either aloud or in the silence of my heart. The power of God as I go about the business of my daily life, and so it is. Transmute by the violet fire. The following violet causes and cores can be repeated either aloud or in the silence of my heart. Cause alone as I go about the business of my daily life. The sacred tone. Transmute by the violet fire. Causes and cores, not God's desire. I am a being, cause alone. That cause is love. The sacred tone. Transmute by violet fire. All causes and cores, not God's desire. I am a being, cause alone. That cause is love. The sacred tone. The sacred tone. Transmute by violet fire. I accept this done. All causes and cores, not God's desire. I am being, so cause alone. That cause is love. The sacred following violet flame mantra can be repeated either aloud or in the silence of my heart as I go about the business of my daily life. Transmute by the violet fire. The violet fire causes and cores, not God's desire. The violet fire, I am a being in cause alone. Creation. That cause is love. I am integrating the fifth dimensional violet flame. Transmutation violet fire into my heart. All causes and cores, not of God's desire. As I breathe it out through my heart, I am a being into the core of every person, place, love, condition, or thing in my life. Conscious or unconscious, past or present, through obvious choice.